My great people them Bobrisky and Hakeya Mata seller which she advertised like say tomorrow and next tomorrow. No day. They don't cast you. No be small thing no, na just lover block oh. 9 open Bobrisky show like say tomorrow no day. No be small thing no, my correct people them. This video self long self you he get the part 2. Alright, so say as it start yo, just lover say so as everywhere don't come down small. I say make I add small petrol. Ogun key firefighter. I am sorry I took down the other voice note. I'm trying to upload the full version. Chillax with your popcorn. It's about to be fame. Fake life, they say it's expensive. If I post them go debunk. Talk say just lover they lie. Sooner or later it dey pure. Una go get the full version soon. Firefighter, if I see you here, Ogun buy you. So my correct people them just a little background. Una know how Bobrisky worry us with this mashallah place. Some mashallah place yo. See dollar where my customer give me. See bag of dollar. See bag of money. See box of days. How mashallah place yo. Me una go buy yo. Me una go buy yo. No be smart you know. Say tell the mashallah place say don't buy place for Dubai. Not knowing that na fake. My correct people them are beg our young girls. There's no other way to money than hard work. Money wey go carry cool better pot of food chop for house. You carry go dey buy things where at the end of the day na better infection. Na in the thing go hammer your puna with. Like some way they go say put down for puna, some they go say drink, some they go say this, all manner of things where you don't know where they come from. All these people now fake you. Even the dollars so then they like to they show. They say na rent, then they rent yamo. Even Tonto Dike wey we say na Bobrisky former Bessie. Talk am, even Bobrisky former worker follow talk am. Make I read am for una. Alright, so this Tonto Dike post long where she motivate people, but I just read the Kayamata part. He said, you see, it's wrong to assume everything that glitters is gold. I have heard of sellers renting dollars from banks, Aboki Malam, just to create an illusion to draw the public attention into assuming the money was made using their product. Personally, I think that's genius and extremely smart move. Okay, still waiting Bobrisky former staff talk. Say those money you see him posting up and down are monies he obtained from his account officer and a branch bank manager at Eco Bank. The bank isn't aware of the money is being given out. Once he's done making videos with them, he secretly takes it back to the bank manager like nothing happened, and you will be shouting billionaire. Can laugh, saying that Bobrisky do juju pass, but most of you are better than him in reality. All the Kayamata bosses, when they live fake life, it don't cast. I hear say Jerome Ahmad don't come off for Dubai, whether they deport them or be na wait to know. Now that one why I don't know, but they just they live flashy life, they save people up and down. Or mashallah here, they say you go meet rich man. Then themselves they no see rich man marry. Now when we use their products, now they muna go see. Why them they no see? All of them, nobody marry any rich person. Then they go say use my product. He go bring you good luck. He go attract you rich man. Now you no face attract for una. Now here's even her man self don't cast for Dubai. They don't deport them. My correct people that know is smart to know. Girls of nowadays more use our number 6. Get the number 3rd person we know they here, her name na Teji Gold. Now she na Bobrisky carry for head now like gala. After she and Moshala, they don't get wahala. No be smart you know, my correct people them. Bobo is a risky no get friend though at all. Me una listen to the gossip wey be the gossip on Moshala. No be smart you know.
Okay, so quick one. You know that time now that I have issues with you that I was telling, I think that time I was still working for Moshala. You know, that you posted that Omoshola rented and said she claimed she bought the place. That was Dubai Salon. I mean, I was busy fighting, saying it's true, she bought it and everything. Only for me to find out that it was truly she rented the place. Now, safe, the owner of that place is a man. He has taken the shop away from her. The man said Omoshola was owing. That Omoshola is not paying up the money she was owing. So the man, if you notice on her page, she doesn't go to that store again. All her things, all the things she bought, all the furniture she did inside her place, they did not allow her take anything. The man said all the things that are inside is going to resell it or give it to a new person taking the place for his replacement of the money Omoshola is owing him. So Omoshola left the place. You know, some of our workers, they reach out to me that Omoshola is owing them money. That Omoshola owe them money and everything. Omoshola, she's a first big time first with that boyfriend. That husband she married. She married that guy because I think she married that guy because she got pregnant. I'll send you proof of that. When she got pregnant, she sent me the that pregnancy testing. She wasn't expecting to be as in she did not expect to get pregnant. Do you understand? The thing just happened. You get. So she asked me, Bobrisky, how far should I keep this baby or I should give? And I'm like, I don't know, it's your decision. Do you understand? So she had not said, okay, I think that time she not said she wants to copy Jaruma. That Jaruma used to have Jaruma used to use that baby that time to stop everybody on Instagram, that people, she was getting crowd, that I think she will keep that baby. She will keep the baby just to also copy what Jaruma was doing. So to cut the story short, she had issues. She and her husband had issues after they arrested her husband in Dubai, and then now send the guy back. They send the guy back to Nigeria. So she and her husband, they were having issues because the guy said they should both stay in Nigeria. Do you understand? And Omoshola said she cannot stay, that she wants to go back to Dubai and go and continue her hustle. So the guy is now in Lagos. They've sent the guy back. Now the guy now later find out that it's Omoshola and Ibos, that they were both lying to him. You know, when Omoshola will tell Ibos, my boyfriend will enter this place very soon now. We're talking about millions of naira, 46 million, 100 million. So Ibos and Omoshola, both of them are always lying on the phone as if they are business partners. Hey, that 100 million you say you sent to me, when are you sending it? Hey, I got the alert of 50 million. So later on, the guy find out everything, because the guy also not thief. The guy also, dated Omoshola because of the money involved. Hearing that kind of money, 50 million, 100 million, 50 million, 100 million, 150 million. This is a new one that happened. This one happened like I think 2 months ago. You know, I'm brand ambassador to Becky Gold. So Becky Gold reached out to me and said, Bobrisky, Omoshola ti gba mi o. Omoshola ti gba mi. I'm like, what do you mean by that? So what happened was, Becky Gold and Omoshola, when Omoshola gave birth, Becky went to her house. She stood there like a sister. They were both gossiping about people. Two of them now had issues. They fought. Now, that year, Omoshola said she was coming to Lagos, and Jenny's Glow bought some jewelries from Becky Gold, and so those jewelries, she said Omoshola should help her carry the jewelries, that when they get to Lagos, when she gets to Abuja, she'll give that jewelries to someone for her, so they can go and deliver to Jenny's Glow and other clients that paid for jewelries. After our sister Omoshola arrived Abuja, our sister told Becky Gold that the flights did not carry, that they told her that they can't find the gold, the bag where the gold is. Becky now said, what do you mean? I thought you told me you put the gold inside hand luggage. So why you put it? Why did you now decide to put the gold inside in the normal baggage and check it in? How come? What's happening? They had this issue for a very, very long time. It's not a small fight though. That Omoshola slapped Becky Gold. Becky Gold said slap Omoshola. Police came to Dubai. In Dubai, police came to arrest both of them. In fact, right now, their matter is still in court. Right now, they have serious issue at court because Becky claimed that Omoshola did not. That is a lie. Nobody missed. The flight did not miss any bag. The Omoshola went to go and steal some of the jewelry, some of the gold jewelries.
So that voiceover caused serious fight between Bobrisky and Gistlover. Gistlover show Bobrisky shege. Tetele even leak Bobrisky number. That one a different news we go bring for una soon. But my correct people dem will see waiting Omoshola reply Bobrisky. Say Bobrisky talk una believe. Because you asked me to pay you 3 years at once for 150 million and I stepped responding. You decided to frame your lies to satisfy your greedy self. I usually don't talk, but you crossed the line this time. Not with my family, you crossed it. Remember how you begged me at the police headquarters in Abuja last year and even had Tonto beg on your behalf? Have you forgotten so soon? If you could betray a woman who almost in yearns for you just to make sure you weren't jailed then, Bobrisky, be ready to defend all your lies because this time I am coming all out for you. I have been on my own with different news and useless accusations flying around. After several posts and trolls on blogs, I still kept my cool. But Idris, aka Bobrisky, you outdid yourself this time. If only the accusations were true, you had better get ready to defend yourself. Rot in jail or stay in hiding because Nigeria no go contain both of us. Rent all you want on Instagram as expected. I will deal with you just how you should be dealt with. My husband was deported. Now he slept for our bedroom yesterday. I told you I was pregnant. You asked me to come to Lagos and you would take me to mainland where they will abort my baby in 2 minutes. Same place you usually take your bestie to. I answered you. I flew you to Dubai in a first class and gave you a VVP treatment even after you got deported in Dubai because you were dressed like a woman and a man's picture and information of what immigration saw. You were sent back and I single-handedly brought you back. Dubai vendor gold worth 30 or 50 million was stolen by me and vendor did nothing or Dubai police didn't jail me. Are you alright? I am a fraudster, yet you wanted to take 150 million naira from me after defrauding me of over 30 million last year. And you begged not to extend case to court and begged for a payment plan with your bestie helplessly standing for you. Let's see who's gonna beg and stand for you this time. As bestie no day, I see you didn't learn last year. I'll be back. Give me a minute. Nothing lasts forever. Nana say as all of una don't cast. This Bobrisky said na devil. Even all the people where they collect and give away, more now they collect, maybe now una destiny. Now in the exchange show. Can you imagine person get belle say may come you carry and go where they go come out and sharp. Because you know say this your woman, that fake woman you be, you know ever smell pikin unless say you decide to use your bola well the way Baba God give you. How about Bobo is a risky? You don't really cast this period though. He's well though. Alright, so thank you for watching. Now stay beautiful. Bye.